When I was younger, I helped out at my uncle's machinery business. Things that I've helped install are grass cutters, mist blower, and even chainsaws. So that really sparked a passion in me. So that's why I decided to pursue in CNC maintenance.
The reason why I'm always interested in CNC maintenance is because I'm always fascinated by the internal components and how it plays a part in its function.
I was a mechatronics student where I've been exposed with similar skill sets such as electrical and mechanical. Hence, I would like to pursue these skill sets to further develop what I've learned.
So since young, when my dad goes to work and he comes back home, he will tell me about his work. After telling me all those stories, it actually sparked an interest in me to take up engineering.
This skill set involves mechanical assembly, involves this electrical wiring, and then involve this troubleshooting. So it is actually integration of multitask to do the job. So student graduate be able to work in machine integration.
In CNC maintenance, my biggest takeaway is fault finding, where a problem occurs, the engineer will find ways to solve it in the CNC machine. And on top of that, I also learned what is the meaning of teamwork, and that really improves on my social skill.
I had a chance to learn electrical wiring, which is actually very fun, and I also learn troubleshooting and debugging of the machine, which I find it very useful and it will help me find a job next time in the future.
Industry in the future, actually now we are in the internet age, so we expect that a lot of factory will be going to smart factory.
I would want to be in the maintenance side and be a maintenance engineer in the future.
In the future, I will hope to make CNC maintenance an automated process so that it will be more effective and efficient.
For my future aspirations, I hope I can join a big company such as Rolls-Royce because they are established internationally. By joining such company, I know that it can improve my skills and my knowledge in the relevant field.
I hope that I can use these skill sets that I've learned to invent something sustainable and environmental friendly.